Hi, my name is Randy Impinida. I am an electrical engineer. I gained my estimation experience while working in Saudi Arabia, where I assigned in the bidding department for 7 years. I was assigned for handling for the estimation of electrical, auxiliary, plumbing and sanitary, and HVAC system. The projects I work on is infrastructure, commercial building, and industrial projects. The software tools we used for estimations were Excel, PDF, AutoCAD, and PlanSwift. Uh, Occasionally, we use PlanSwift, but we relied more on AutoCAD and Excels, as most of our projects is EPC, which is engineering, procurement, and construction packages. And my recent job here is in Cebu, where I am part of a project management team. I was in charge in MEPFS system, where is mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection, and security system. My responsibilities includes coordinations to the MIFS constructors and ensuring their works complies with the approved shop drawings, and I also coordinated closely with the design teams whenever there are conflicts at sites that requires revisions or adjustment to the drawings. Thank you.